So now like this, very dark man they take bring Igbo man business down. So now like this, Igbo Komo, Ndi Igbo Kono, Biakwano, very dark man is about to do it again. He's about to bring the business of our brother down again. No. Only so and then I could this canteen a very dark man call on person Daniel Maji for Igbo. Otrobabog that place because you are a for you will find a wire. This man and about TMT scam our people over 400 and something million naira on fake visa. You understand? Igbo kuchega no kwasire burozo or dike bukunko. If you send down a recharge card 500, 1 gig. I been a comment section of that man now say God bless you, you live long. Dalo, don't mind those people na akofisiakoko. Because he got one of the victims very soon. And they got Chakashiwaya Koyezuri, I have boga son you because you are an evil person. You understand? You will be going bear, you be bear while you're very dark man and I call you out. See, go and pay those people you have scammed. You have scammed over 400 and something million. Now go 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. That's in Aussie. As in how go Chineke. And very dark man have given me ultimatum of 1 month to pay those people or scam. You understand? If not hits, Oga by fire by force. Oganaga join your APC, will recover. A lot of people now parole with police and this thing today. Well, a lot of this room, we have parole with the police so that they will know who targets way,